Today we are at Generation in Action Gulu. This was after a survey that was done by one of our colleagues who is based in Gulu, and we identified Generation in Action as one of the organizations that will need support in this period of COVID-19.
Generation in Action deal with a traumatized group. The children you are seeing here, they have been defiled during this lockdown. And the perpetrators were fathers and grandfathers and stepfathers, close relatives in short. So these children hate the community members. Some of them, we cannot even reintegrate them when the perpetrators are not arrested. But the therapy is to make them, to restore the hope and to create good relationship. Roke brought what we really need in the center. They brought food items, sanitary items. They brought the TV, which was very important when they are doing the assessment. And they came with a cake. They had one of the girls had a birthday, came with a cake, and then they cut the cake with the children. They did what we call rapport, to create that relationship with the children so that they interact. They they spend the whole day interacting with these children. Now, I think it was good. It was good. The children, they appreciated, they received the gifts, and they shared the cake with the children, which was good. Thank you, Roke Telkom. Continue having the same heart. I think you are giving a very good example to other companies.